Hi beauties! Today I brought to you this BREYLEE Lash and Lash Extensions Deep Cleaner. It's paraben and sulfate free. It can be used for home and salon. It's color free, vegan, cruelty free, oil free, fragrance free. It's very high quality and very safe to be used on your eyes. It's suitable for all skin types and can be used at home or in the salons. As I said, this is the package and it comes with the water bottle, shampoo. The shampoo has the shampoo bottle and it's like a foam. It has, I guess, 2 ounces, 60 milliliters. Has the brush. I'm not sure if you can see. It has like little bumps, so you can rub the eyelashes with it. And it has a mascara wand to clean out the lashes. Remember, it can be used on both the lash extensions and regular lashes to deep clean any clogs. If you suffer from clogging in your eyelashes, this is the one for you. Or if you use the lash extensions or those fake lashes, then you can use it on it. I know a lot of people who use those DIY lashes as well, and they also can use. I have filled this water bottle with warm water, and I have a towel here because I'm going to be squeezing the water out after I'm done with brushing my lashes. First, you need to clean your eyes. Like, you don't need to have makeup on it. Remember, this is a deep cleanser. It's not to remove the makeup. It's not a makeup remover, okay? It's to deep cleanse your eyelashes. Okay, so you will put the foam. Really smells really nice. I really love it. And then you're going to pick it up with this brush and brush your lashes. You can do this like that. Then you're going to grab the mascara wand. Oh, it doesn't burn the eye. It's really good, actually. And like, take out all the dirts. The last step is to remove the foam. Oh wow, I feel my eye really fresh and nice. And now we can repeat on the next eye. Squeeze out some foam. Pick up the foam. Mascara wand. You need to kinda like take it out like that. Remove the foam. Oh. My eyes feel really fresh, nice, and clean. I really love it, and I really hope that you will love it as much as I do. Thank you for watching, and stay beautiful.